Good evening, everyone. Well, tonight we're filming. Normally we don't film at night, but tonight we are because it's supposed to rain tonight. And I was hoping I could get by a couple days without having to pick this mess up, and I'd get the totes in the mail and I can just put it all in and get it in where it belongs. But it's gonna rain, so we have to just take and put all this stuff in there right now so it doesn't get all messed up. So Sean just got home from work and he got me a stack of pallets, and I'm gonna build a little porch deck out here. So, but first I got everything cleared out of the way because I need to hurry up and get all this stuff in there first, and then we're gonna build a deck at the end. So stay with me. Hey guys, got all my stuff picked up. So now, before I put my stairs back up here, I'm gonna put some pallets out here because we have something else in one of the boxes that I need to get out. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get my pallets down to make my little front porch while I'm at it before I put my desk and everything back. So let me turn you around here a second, I'll show you. It's probably very dark and you probably can't see very well, but there's the tarp and absolutely everything is off of it. So I'm going to pull that tarp back out of the way because it might be in my way a little bit for putting some pallets down over here. So we're just gonna pull that out, and then I'm gonna leave you guys right here. You can watch me bring in the pallets. So. I got all my flashlights out, lighting the area up because it's dark. I don't know, it's like 7 something. Okay, pallets are all out. Hopefully you can see that. Let me check. Yep, you can see. My flashlights are working. And I got some packages in the mail. And a subscriber sent these to us. And so we're gonna use them right now. Probably can't tell what it is yet, but he will very soon. This will be very nice. It'll help stabilize the pallets here. And oh, it comes in a nice little bag. I might have to save that bag for other use. Got some little ground stakes, but we're not going to be using those right now. We're just going to be using the weight of the thing sitting on top of it to hold it down. So this is an outdoor mat, a rug, and there's 2 of them. So we're going to open this thing up, see how far it goes. Looks like it's gray and black. I still got to put our steps up here. Hopefully they still fit there. Well, when the sun comes out tomorrow, it'll heat it up and flatten it all out nicely. But before I put anything back up here, I'm going to figure out which way I'm going to put this other one here. Well, for now, this is how big the porch is going to be. But later on, Sean can get more pallets. And we can put more down. But for now, I think I'm going to leave it like that. Because this is going to be my desk area. And the steps are going to sit on that part, so they won't really see that part. This part over here will be uncovered a bit. But that's okay. Alright. Ta-da! Thank you! I love the rugs. They look nice. Okay, well, the battery ran out, but I was just getting ready to go pick up all the stuff, put my stairs back, put my desk and all that stuff back, so. And then we're gonna have to call it a night because, as you can see, it's very dark outside. Alright guys, I'm going to call it a day. It is late, but I have everything picked up. Well, not everything. I got to go take the mail, and I'm going to put the mail up here, maybe a tarp over it. I got a bunch of boxes over there. So, oh, you can't see them. Well, a pallet of boxes for mail over there that was there the other day. I'm going to pull that up here. I got an extra tarp I can throw over it. So, but that's it. Thanks for watching. And we got another little emergency episode here. So just in case, I don't know if it's going to rain or not. It's a low %, but that could change. It could be no rain. It could be lots of rain. So just in case. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, all the members, commenting, everything. We love you guys. But I'm out of here. I am dripping sweat. It's really humid. That's why it almost feels like it's going to rain. It's just very humid. But maybe not. But y'all have a good night. Or a good morning. Because this probably won't be released tonight. So whenever you watch it, I hope you're having a good time. So thank you. Good morning. Okay, it's the next day. And I just wanted to give you a little show because I know it was really dark out last night when I finished up. And you could hardly see anything, so I just wanted to pop in this morning. And I just got back from the post office. We did turn in our post office box form, and we got a P.O. box now, so yay! I will put that in the description. And I know there were some people that expressed wanting to send some cards, and now you can. So we have a P.O. box, and I will put that in the description and in the About page on the YouTube thing. So, but let me just give you a quick little show. We got all of the stuff picked up that was sitting out here. We got it all put back into the compartments underneath. And the tarp that was here, say good morning to Linus. Linus! Alright, well, Linus doesn't want to say good morning, so. But yeah, we used the tarp and we put it over there on the, that's where the mailboxes are, on a pallet there. So that's all the stuff that we have to put in there. And then that's the desk and all that stuff put away. So let me take you over here. We got all the pallets, and then as you saw last night, our stairs are supposed to be facing the other way, but the door won't open. So I'm going to take out these 2 pallets right here, and then I'm going to rake out just a little bit of the loose dirt and wood chips, because we only need to go down like 1/4 of an inch. So I'm going to do that today when it dries up a little bit, because it did rain last night, or early this morning I should say. So thank goodness I got everything picked up. So I'm going to fix the stair thing today, and then I'm also going to pull this rug and pull it out to this corner here so it'll look better. So the part that'll be uncovered will be in the back, so you won't be able to notice it as much. So I'm going to pull that rug forward, and so that's it. We're good to go. Yeah, everything looks much cleaner, much nicer, and then when the storage totes show up in the mail, we'll just get everything back out and start putting it in totes, and then we'll put it all back in. Yay! But we're all set, so thank you for watching. We appreciate you, and we'll see you another time.